Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Aptitude Club. Today in this video, we'll be continuing with the LRDI expert series. We have already done 6 sessions, and if you haven't watched the previous ones, do watch them. I'll pin the LRDI playlist in the I section, so do check out the previous videos. We have started this series taking up the previous CAT questions. So this is a CAT 2022 slot 2 paper, and in every video we will be discussing one LRDA set. We'll try to discuss it in a very detailed manner, how and what manner you can break down the question, bring in a structure to the question, because that's the most important part of any LRDA set, especially LR part. DI is still some calculation involved, but LR you have to bring in a structure to the question, and that's the most crucial skill that you must learn. So if you are a CAT 2023 aspirant, you are watching at this point, try and see in what manner we can break down the information, in what way we are using it, and then how a structure help us arrive at the answer easily. So once again, I welcome you all to my channel, and do explore the other videos that are there in this channel, and let's get started with today's session. So this was a set on basically segregation of data, classification, segregation of data, how structurally you put it, and then a little bit of set theory, not exactly set theory application, but set overlapping concept is in a way utilized in this. So let's see what the question is. I'll request all of you to pause at this moment, maybe create a structure from your own end, okay, just to see in what manner you can jot down the information given, and try and do a rough sketch of what the data is all talking about, and then look at the explanation. All right. So there are total 320 products which can be classified either as a cosmetic product or a nutrition product. Also, each of these products can further be classified as foreign and domestic products. So two parameters to classify: cosmetic, nutrition, also foreign and domestic. So now I'll have four types of products: cosmetic, foreign, cosmetic domestic, nutrition foreign, and nutrition domestic. Four types. On top of it, we have another classification based on the type of approval. So it is either FDA approval or EU, and because it is written at least one, so I will have products which have only FDA approval, products which have only EU approval, and products which will have both the approvals. This is also possible, and then some additional information is given. So we'll cover this information, but before that, let's see what the structure will look like. Total 320 products classified as nutrition and cosmetic. Nutrition further classified as domestic and foreign. Cosmetic further classified as domestic and foreign. It is said there are equal number of domestic and foreign products. So domestic products will be 160, foreign products will be 160. There are 140 nutrition products. So this is 140. So that means the rest will be cosmetic, 180. And half of the nutrition products are foreign products. So nutrition foreign is half of total nutrition. So nutrition domestic is 70. And because total domestic is 160, so cosmetic domestic is 90. So 70 plus 90, I get 160. Similarly, total foreign products, it is 160. So foreign nutrition is 140. So foreign cosmetic is again 90. So this is the first segregation of data that we could do using statement 1 and 4. I hope this part is pretty clear to all of you. And till this, it is not very difficult. The challenging part is to understand the set overlapping based on that approval part, FDA, EU, and both approval. That part is something we'll have to very carefully handle. Moving on, statement 1 and statement 4 we have used entirely, and we basically got four kinds of products: nutrition products that are domestic, nutrition products that are foreign, and this is 70 each. Total nutrition products is 140. Then I'll have cosmetic products that are domestic and cosmetic products that are foreign. So this is 90 each, and total cosmetic is 180. If you look at statement number 3, none of the foreign products had both the approvals. That means it is exclusive. If you take any foreign product, it will either have FDA or EU. There can't be any foreign product which has both the approvals. So that means I can represent them in this way: the approval set. So these are the products which have got FDA approvals, and these are the products which have got EU approvals. There is no overlapping. These are the products which have got FDA approvals, and these are the products which have got EU approvals, and no overlapping. So overlapping will only happen in case of domestic products. This is what is given. Next, it is said that half of the domestic products, total domestic, I have 160 products, and half of them, that is 80 domestic products, were FDA approved, and they were also cosmetic. So 80 are FDA approved cosmetic products. So where do I put it? So I'll go to cosmetic, and because domestic and then FDA approved. So in this, let me name it as AB. I can write A plus B is 80 because this is FDA approved. Because FDA approved could be only FDA approved and FDA with EU approved. That can also happen. So that is why A plus B I took. Total domestic products is 90, out of which 80 are FDA, only FDA or both. So A plus B is 80. So this thing has to be 10. So 10 plus 80, I get total 90. That means 10 domestic cosmetic products are only EU approved. That we got. Then the next part. None of the foreign products had both the approvals, while 60 domestic products had both the approvals. So if this is A plus B and let us say this is C plus D, so domestic products having both approvals, I will get the second equation that B plus D is equal to 60. These are domestic products and both approvals. This is my second equation. B plus D is equal to 60. A plus B is equal to 80 is your first equation. B plus D is equal to 60 is the second equation. So this part is done and this part is done. Final information. There were 200 FDA approved products. 70 of them were foreign products. 120 of them were cosmetic products. So out of 200 FDA approved, if 120 are cosmetic, the remaining 80 must be nutrition products. So that means 80 nutrition products are FDA approved. So that means I can write C plus D is equal to 80. Sorry, C plus D won't be 80. I'll have two things here. We'll come back to this a little later. 80 nutrition. This part is correct. But again, under this nutrition, it is domestic and foreign. So that part also we'll have to look for. So here it is given that 70 of the products are foreign products which have FDA approvals. So look at this. Foreign products which have FDA approvals is this and this. So this two sum has to be 70. Alright. And this is already 10. A plus B is 80 we have got. So total nutrition products is 140. Total nutrition is 140. Out of which 80 are FDA approved. Out of this 140, if I look at FDA approved nutrition products, it is 80. That means EU approved has to be 60. This has to be the case. Next, $60 domestic products had both the approvals. We have taken this. 200 FDA approved products are there in total. So 200 FDA approved products, 70 of them were foreign products, 120 of them were cosmetic products. Now look at this 120 cosmetic products. Let us look at them. 120 cosmetic products, if I'm looking at cosmetic, FDA approved is 120, out of which domestic is 80. So this foreign must be 40. Only then you will get total 120, 80 plus 40. Now if this is 40, this must be 50 because total foreign is 90. And I have got that, okay, total 70 of the products which are FDA approved are foreign products. So foreign here it is 40, so this should be 30. So that 30 plus 40, Total 70 foreign products are FDA approved. And if this is 30 now, this is 40. I know total FDA approved in case of nutrition is 80, out of which 30 are foreign. That means C plus D, domestic has to be 50. C plus D, it is 50. FDA approved. This implies only EU will be 20. So this part is 20. So I got three equations, and then all other rest of the values we figured out. This is 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 10, 40, 50. A plus B I got as 80, first equation. B plus D I got as 60, second equation. And C plus D is 50, third equation. So to summarize this, it looks like this. Okay, let me just change this. These names, just let me change. A, B, C, D. Because I have already written it in that structured manner. So here I have written C and D. So let this be C and D, and this be A and B. So A plus B is 50, C plus D is 80, and B plus D is 60. Just a minor, minute change to this. Values are same, just naming I changed because I've already created the upcoming structures that way. So that is why A, B, C, D. So let me change it in this way. A, B, C, D. So this is what I got. So total 140 nutrition products are there. 70 domestic, 70 foreign, and here I got the equation A plus B is 50. Then total 180 cosmetic products, 90 domestic, 90 foreign, and I got here that okay, C plus D is 80, and we have B plus D as 60. So these are the three equations that we will be playing around in this question. Let's start with the questions. How many foreign products were FDA approved cosmetic products? So first I'll get into the cosmetic part, then foreign, and then FDA approved. It is 40. Easy answer. Very easy question. How many cosmetic products did not have FDA approval? Did not have FDA approval means they had EU approval. How many cosmetic products means it could be domestic as well as foreign products. So cosmetic products having EU approval, domestic and foreign, if I'm adding, it is 10 plus 50. So I get 60. Again a very easy direct question. Going forward to the third question, the 70-70. So B plus D is like 60, A plus B is 50, and C plus D is 80. Now if you look at this, which amongst the following option best represents the number of domestic cosmetic products that had both the approvals? Domestic cosmetic products having both the approval means D. The question talks about D. So let's use these equations. First equation, it is B plus D is equal to 60. So from this, can I say okay, D maximum will be 60? It cannot be more than 60, of course. So this option and this option are ruled out. Now I have A plus B is 50. So can I say B maximum is equal to 50? To take this B maximum and put it here, if I am maximizing B, then D automatically will be minimized. This implies D minimum will be how much? 10. So D will lie between 10 till 60, and that is our answer. D minimum value is 10, at least 10, and at most 60. So easily we could calculate because we have structurally like interpreted the given information. So we'll no longer be confused, and we exactly know what category, which number. So we just have to carefully read the question and answer. As simple as that. So 70, 70, 90, 90, and 180. So A plus B is 50, B plus D is 60 and C plus D is 80. Then the question is saying if 70 cosmetic products did not have EU approval. Did not have EU approval means had FDA approval only. So 70 cosmetic products had only FDA approval. So only FDA approval is C plus 40. So C plus 40 is equal to 70. This implies C is equal to 30. If C is 30, D will be 50 because C plus D is 80. And if D is 80, D is 50, B plus D is 60, so B will be 10. So how many nutrition products had both the approvals? Nutrition product having both the approvals is B, and that is 10. That is our answer. So everything will be about those three small equations. That's it. Every question will be about those three small equations. So 140, 180, this is 90, this is 90, this is 70, and this is 70. A plus B is 50, B plus D is 60, and C plus D is 80. Then what is given? If 50 nutrition products did not have EU approval means only FDA approval. 50 nutrition products. So in nutrition products only FDA is A plus 30. So A plus 30 is equal to 50. That means A is equal to 20. If A is 20, then how much is B? B is 30. If B is 30, then D is 30 because B plus D is 60. And if D is 30, then C is equal to 50. So C plus D is equal to 80, B plus D is equal to 60, and A plus B is equal to 50. So gradually we'll just use these equations. A 20, so B is 30, B is 30, so D is 30, D is 30, so C is 50. What is the question asking? How many domestic cosmetic products did not have EU approval? That means only FDA approval. तो ये C का वैल्यू पूछा है, it is 50. That is it. So once you get this structure, then the question is quite easy to solve. Nothing difficult. So very challenging set that way. I'll not say this was an easy set to solve because to bring in the structure it will take time. But I hope my effort was to try and break it down systematically one step at a time so that you get to understand how to build up when you see an LRDI set. I'm not expecting that in one set everything will be clarified, but our efforts should be to practice more and more on similar lines. The more we solve, the more our thinking process develops, and when we see a new question, our like chances of getting it solved significantly goes up. Our ability to process information, quickly arrive at the answer, observe minute small things, and not do mistakes, these things will be more improved if you practice more and more. So once again, thanks all of you for watching. If you watched it this far, do subscribe to my aptitude club channel and explore the other videos that I've done for you. You will definitely find them useful on your CAT 2023 preparation journey. We'll meet again very soon on yet another video. Till then, keep solving, keep studying, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.